one pickaxe.
And look at this kitty. The kitty just did a bro fist.
Yep.
Wait, is that the PewDiePie cat? The legend of the PewDiePie cat lives on as Kitty as cat, as Kit Kat. Look at Kit Kat. Oh my God! He is PewDiePie. He did the bro fist twice. Stop holding him like that. All right. Now let him go. Let him go. Dun 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 dun. He likes the window. Like
Buzz Lightyear
get him in the
standing
window.
on him.
Get off of Buzz Lightyear. Oh, he got wrecked. Anyway, so yeah, that's Kitty. There's Kitty. He's cute, obviously. And if you say he's not cute, you're dead to me.
And you're gonna die by a knife.
No, literally, when I took his camera, like, he almost stabbed me with a nice knife today.
Yep.
And
he also hurt me.
no, I didn't. Stop lying. Anyway, so yeah, I didn't hurt him, right?
No. I'm the truther.
I'm not recording this video then. You're like, oh, come on! You're like, seriously?
But I'll be the cameraman. Whatever. That's really Kitty.
Okay, I'll be the cameraman, fine. But I didn't hurt him that much, guys. I only, like, pushed him off a 30-foot building.
I cried.
And you almost died. Hey, that rhymes. I cried and almost died.
Up Buzz Lightyear again!
Oh, Buzz Lightyear keeps getting wrecked. Oh, look at this little kitty. We don't have a little puppy. Oh! You know what? This time, he's gone. Look at this. I'm covering his head because I'm a giant. Take that, Buzz Lightyear. Oh, that's a cute snuggle. Like, show them your face. Show the people your face. And show the people Kitty's face. Kitty, show the people your face. Okay, that is adorable. Like, seriously, that is adorable.